students, இன்னைக்கு 8th standard science unit 2 பார்க்கலாம். அதில் உள்ள reduced portions உள்ள exercise plus question answer நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Unit 2 force and pressure. Choose the best answer. If we apply force against the directions of motions of the body, then the body will, option A, stop moving. Pressure exerted by a liquid is increased by, option C, both A and B is correct. Both A and B. Unit of pressure is option A, Pascal. அது வந்து Pascal போடலாம். Option B, Nm minus power of minus 2ங்கிறதையும் போடலாம். Pascal, option B, Nm minus power of minus 2. எது வேண்டெல்லாம் போடலாமா? The value of the atmospheric pressure at sea level is, option A, 76 cm of mercury column. Pascal law is used in, option D, all the above. Which of the following liquids has more viscosity? Option A, grease. The units of viscosity is, option B, poise. Fill in the blanks. The pressure of a liquid column dash with the depth of the column increases. Hydraulic lift work under the principle of dash, Pascal law. இது வந்து நிறைய வாட்டி fill in the blanks ல வந்திருக்கு, important. The properties of dash of a liquid surface enables the water droplets to move upwards planes. Surface tension. A simple barometer was first constructed by Torricelli. State number 3. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. False ஆர்ந்தா அதை correct பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? Force acting on a given area is called pressure. True. A moving body comes to rest due to friction alone. True. A body will sink if the weight of a body is greater than the buoyancy force. True. 1 atmosphere is equivalent to 1 lakh Newton force acting on 1 square meter. True. Rolling friction is slightly greater than the sliding friction. It's wrong. Greater கிடையாது, அது வந்து smaller. Friction is the only reason for the loss of energy. True. Liquid pressures decreased with the decrease of depth. True. Viscosity depends on the pressure of a liquid. True. Roman letter 4 match the following. Static friction, objects are at rest. Kinetic friction, objects are in motion. Rolling friction, least friction. Friction between the liquid layer, viscosity. Sliding friction, objects are sliding. 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. B. Barometer, atmospheric pressure. Increasing area of contact, increasing friction. Decreasing area of contact, decrease friction. Lubricants reduce friction. Irregular surface, cause of friction. 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 3. 4, 1, 5, 2, 3. Roman letter 5, complete the analogy. Not in a thread, dash frictions. Ball bearing வந்து dash friction. இப்போ வந்து ரெண்டு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ வந்து இதுக்கு வந்து not in a thread வந்து static friction. ball bearing வந்து rolling friction. Downward force weight, upward force offered by liquid buoyant force. இது வந்து வந்திருக்குமா? Roman letter 6, numerical problem. A stone weighs 500 Newton calculates the pressure exerted by it if it makes the contact with the surface of area 25 centimeter square. இதுக்கு problem sum நம்ம பார்க்கணும். Given weight of a stone 500 Newton, area equal to 25 centimeter square. So equal to 25 into 10 the power of 4 meter square. இப்போ to find the pressure P equal to formula வந்து P equal to force by area, அதாவது F by A. P equal to F by A போட்டுங்க. 500 by 25 into 10 the power of 4. So 25 வந்து 500ல cancellation வந்து 20 times போகுது இல்லையா, அதனால 20. அப்போ therefore pressure P equal to 20 into 10 the power of 4 bar meter square. Okay va? So Roman letter 7, consider the statements given below and choose the correct option. Assertion, sharp knives are used to cut the vegetable. Reason, sharp edges exerted more pressure. Option A, இதுல வந்து A. Both assertions and reasons are true and reason is the correct explanations of assertion. Number 2, assertion, broad straps are used in back. Reason, broad straps last for long. இது வந்து B. Both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not the correct explanations of assertion. 3, assertion, water strider slides easily on the surface of water. Reason, water striders experiences less buoyant force. அதுக்கும் B தான். Both assertions and reasons are true, but reason is not the correct explanations of assertion. Roman letter 8, answer very briefly. Give two example to verify that a force change the shape of a body. இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு புக்கில் நான் நோட் பண்ண முடியல, ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்குது, அதனால சிம்பிளாக உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன். 2 example, if you squeeze a sponge, its shape change. If you pull a rubber band, it becomes longer. Number 2, give 2 example to verify that a force tends to change the static condition of a body. Question number 3, how do you feel when you touch a nail immediately after it is hammered into a wooden plank? Why? இதுக்கு வந்து the nail becomes hot due to friction. Friction changes kinetic energy to heat. அதாவது நம்ம வந்து நெயில் வச்சு அடிச்சா என்ன செய்யும், அது வந்து ரொம்ப ஹாட்டாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அப்போ வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, ஃப்ரிக்ஷன் வந்து வைண்ட் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அதனால ஃப்ரிக்ஷன் வந்து changes kinetic energy to heat. How does the frictions arise between the surface of two bodies in relative motion? Page number 18. There clear, friction is caused, அதுலேருந்து வந்து contact வரைக்கும். Name 2 instruments which help to measure the pressure of a liquid. Manometer, pressure gauge. Define 1 atmosphere. Page number 14. One atmospheric pressure இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுலேருந்து இது வரைக்கும் 1.01 into 10 the power of 5 nm minus 2 அது வரைக்கும். The define 1 atmosphereங்கிறது important மா. Why are heavy bags provided with broad straps? Page number 13. இந்த இருக்கு இல்லையா, broader straps, அதுலேருந்து shoulders வரைக்கும். How does the surface tension help a plant? Page number 16. The application of surface tension clear. அதில் in plants the tension of water வரைக்கும். Which has greater viscosity, oil or honey? Why? Honey has greater viscosity. Reason: thicker liquids are more viscous than thinner liquid. As honey has greater viscosity, friction force will be acting on it. Roman letter 9, answer briefly. Define friction. Give two examples of the utilities of friction in day life. Friction is a force that slows down moving object or prevents stationary objects from moving. Example: the utility of friction in day-to-day life. Car and buses are able to move safely on the road because of frictions between the treaded tires and the surface of the road. We are able to write on paper only with the help of friction between the pencil or pen and paper. Okay, Mama? ஸோ இது வந்து ஃப்ரிக்ஷன் டிஃபைன் ஃப்ரிக்ஷன் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அது இல்லாமல் 2 எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்பர் 2, மென்ஷன் எனி 3 ways of minimizing friction. Number 2, mention any 3 ways of minimizing friction. By using lubricant, they are applied to surface to reduce the friction between the surfaces. Example: oil, wax, grease and castor oil. அது வந்து 2 எக்ஸாம்பிள் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Number 1, with the help of polishing the surface, we sprinkle fine powder on the carom board and then we polish its surface to make smooth so that the sticker slides easily on the surface. By using ball bearing, we use lead shots in bearing of a cycle hub because rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction. Number 3, state Pascal law and mention its application. Page number 15. ரொம்ப important question. பாஸ்கல் லா இருக்குல்லையே 15 பேஜ் நம்பர் 15 இந்த பாஸ்கல் லாஸ்லேருந்து இது வரைக்கும் less space. Question number 4. Why is a ball bearing used in a cycle hub? The rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction. Sliding is replaced by rolling with the usage of ball bearing. So, lead shots are used in the bearing of a cycle hub. Roman letter 10. Answer in detail. Friction is necessary evil. Explain. Page number 17. There clear friction is necessary for our day-to-day activities. Next paper necessary evil varaikum. 2. Give the different types of frictions and explain each with an example. Page number 17. So the types of friction irukliya adulenda idu varaikum suitcase etc. Describe an experiment to prove the friction depends on the nature of a surface. Page number 16. The activities அப்படியே எடுத்து எழுதுங்க. Take a small quantities அதுலேருந்து இது வரைக்கும் இதுலேருந்து இது வரைக்கும். இதை ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது ஏன்னா அப்படியே ஒரே எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் மாதிரி வரும், அதனால அப்படியே விட்டு. Explain how frictions can be minimized. Page number 18. There clear. Increasing and decreasing frictions அதுலேருந்து cycle hub வரைக்கும். Describe an experiment to prove that the pressure in a liquid increased with depth. Page number 15. இருக்குல்லையா? Activities 3. Take a plastic bottle. அது ஃபுல்லாக எழுதிருங்க. அதுக்கு எப்போதுமே ஒரு ரீசன் கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு ரீசன் போட்டுட்டு இதுலேருந்து இது வரைக்கும் எழுதிடுங்க. ஓகேவாம்மா? ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.